All right, this is to answer a question about what we do once we've got all that out. He cut the end of the strut off. Hold that broken strut up, that cut off strut. You can see there where we cut the end of the strut off. Yeah. And then basically, where'd that other piece go? It's down on the floor over here. You know, while it's in the rear end, you cut that off there. You take a little hunk out so you can move it around. And then you twist it this way as far as it'll go and remove a side. You twist it that way and remove it. And then that makes it big enough to where it just comes right off. And then you go down the center of it, you know, orientated like this, and you cut it in half. You cut the head of the bolt off and get it flush with the back side of the mount back here as much as you can. Then you come down through the middle and cut it completely in half. Then you got to worry this piece out of that hole. And once you get it out of that hole, you can just grab this most of the time with vice grips and it comes right loose. It is not, 99% of the time, it's not frozen in here. That's not where it freezes in. It actually welds itself in here to the sleeve that it goes through. He got lucky on the other side. I thought we were going to have to do both sides. But this is where it gets stuck. It gets stuck passing through here. And it basically gets welded on. And this we were able to break loose really easy. And then just turn it out. Drop it out of your way. Bob's your grandmother. And off you go.